use dry ingredient in one part, and then we're gonna do the wet, and then like it. Today is really a special video. For all that are watching me from the beginning on this channel, you guys know that I'm in a process from a house to a home. So today I got new appliance from my kitchen. Let me tell you, my kid, when they saw all this, they be like, "Mommy, you are such a spoiled wife." Anyway, I didn't know the first time what it was about, but when I came to my kitchen and realized that my husband has gotten all these KitchenAid set. Yes, he got it all. It's not a sponsor or anything. He just went to Target, loved it, and got it all. So we're going to discover all of it, but we're just going to use the main one because today is Sunday evening and I have to bake snack for the week. So let's discover what is in here, and the main thing, where are we going to put all this in my kitchen for it to be easy for me to take and use. I've opened the main guy. That's how I call him. He's the main guy because oops, he's the base of everything. I love the color. I don't know, he knows me so good. So I love the color. I love this beige color. It's not white, it's not great, it's just nice and smooth, a color that I can really enjoy. I hope I can put it somewhere in my kitchen and just sit there as a decoration. I had this before, but not the same brand. I think I had the Bella brand, and he decided that I needed a KitchenAid in my beautiful kitchen. I need to do you guys a kitchen tour so you can really see what job I have done in this kitchen. I'll show you a before and then an after. Then you can see. So he decided that I needed this beautiful KitchenAid. I think he got inspired, for a call it got inspired from the air fryer that I got and the toaster. So this is beautiful. I love it. I love this gold color. And in plus, beside this, he got all the accessories that comes with it. First, we have this. I will not open all of them, as I said, since I will not be using all of these now. I won't open everything, but I will show you the different accessories that I got. He got, oh, let's take it like that. This one is the vegetable peeler. So we have a peeler head, we have a slide head, small corn, we have a medium sterilizer and the fine sterilizer. So this is amazing, especially that I've been having my meal with no carbs. I've been having only vegetables. So I think that having fancy looking vegetable in my plate is the big bonus for this. So I really love this, and I'm also excited to start using them. I will share most of the receipts. I will share them in my short with you guys to see how I'm enjoying this appliance. Sorry that he got that I opened too. I will not use it today either, but it's a Molino Carne. This one is ground meat. It's to ground meat to make all my meatballs, my burgers, and everything looks so easy to use. It's just 3 accessories, and it showed me how to put to connect it. Everything is going to be connected to the base. So actually, I take this out and I will put everything. Everything that I would like to replace, I put it here to use it. So this one can be open. Can be open, so when I open it, it looks like this. So if I want to ground meat, let's take something that is open already. If I want to ground meat, I just put it here. I got this beside the ground meat. He got me a pasta maker. So we have a pasta roller, a pasta cutter set. So to make the pasta, to roll the pasta, we just use this guy that I'll put right here. Good, it's inside. And I use this other guy here to lock it on the side. I will use it. I will not use it today. I'll use it until I figure out where to put everything in my kitchen. Come on. My best friend for this summer. So to just create light and fluffy shaved ice, we're gonna use this friend right here. Let me open and show you how it look. It look exactly like on a picture, but all this is so heavy. So don't, that's why you see me not moving it too much, because it's a little heavy. So it comes with a little book that gives me some ideas, like cherry lemonade. This is in French. It has 3 languages: English, French, and Spanish. So if you don't understand one language, you go to the next one. I don't know if it has more language online, but the book is showing me that the receipt, everything is in 3 language: French, English, and Spanish. Comes with this and some little cups. If you did like or more, I think you can save them in here. They come with lids, little cups with lids. For another replacement, I think this is the replacement. Yes, it's a replacement. If the other one doesn't work, you can use this one, or see the different shape they can give you. As I said, I will keep them in a box till I found a way to put them in my kitchen. But for sure today, I will use the main guy, as I'm calling, I decided to call him the main guy, to make our bread and muffins. The first thing to make will be muffins. So we're gonna have blueberry muffins and some chocolate muffins. To do this, we're gonna need butter, almond extract and vanilla extract, eggs, blueberries. I'm using the wild berries. They say that they are better. Try to. They have more property, more vitamin C, antioxidant. So it's better to get the wild berries. We're gonna need milk, sugar, and flour. So let's go. I'm gonna have my little helper right here. You can see her little tiny hands and her little tiny face. So we're gonna use our new friend, the KitchenAid. I washed the bowl and all the accessories. So we're gonna use that one. Yes. Wait, I need to lock it. The little yes, maze. It's locked. No, it's locked right now. Here. I'm gonna lock it. Wait, baby. Oh yes, it's right. You try to figure out how to plug this, and I found how. Give it. The only thing we're gonna have here, when I have my little helper, she's a little too much sometimes. I'm enjoying her help, but she's not listening. Dry ingredient in one part, and then we're gonna do the wet, and then we're gonna mix both together. So after you put it, you need to add salt. We need half teaspoon of salt. So half here. I just realized that I don't have any baking soda. This is, we don't have baking soda. So mix it to the bottom so all the flour can have salt. What? I'll put a little bit of this. It's the first time that I'm doing this. I'm using baking soda, but I don't. For the wet ingredient, we're gonna add butter. This is a room temperature side, and then we're gonna mix it at a low cup of sugar. That for sugar, it depends on each people. I think half is good. What is going on in there? So now, Mama, we're gonna add eggs. So add the first one, and then I'll add the second egg. It's getting hardened. It's getting stuck inside of it. I can see it moving. I put that in the trash. Stop it. Bring it up. I put the flour. You put the milk. Not all of it. Stop. For the rest? Oh no, wait, Mama. It looks like we have too much milk. Wow, that looks like a perfect texture. Wait, am I the chef? How do I even know textures? No, don't add yet. Add a little bit of milk. But I think that is enough. So I just need this milk? Come on, Coach. You're gonna make bread, right? Taste. You wanna taste? Yeah, taste. Different, because when I started with this one, I was like, it doesn't work. And then I tried to use this one, and maybe it worked. Then I went back to this one. That's the one that worked actually. And I have this. God bless you. Thank you. And we got this nice and beautiful texture. So we're gonna have add our blueberries. We're actually gonna to separate the chocolate and the milk, because we're gonna have some chocolate and some blueberries. Oh wow. So can I please put the chocolate in here? Yeah, so I'll put blueberries in here. Tell me when to stop. Oh, look at this. It looks so good.
Mom, look.
Stop.
I'm about to flood the whole entire container. How do I mix it? Wix it?
No, you don't mix it no more.
And we don't mix it?
We're gonna mix it. Let's finish with the blueberry.
Oh.
My muffin plate is so big for my new oven, so we're gonna use our Christmas silicone. How you call them? Silicone cups.
We're gonna have a gingerbread muffin.
So you're gonna have gingerbread muffin. It would be funny for them to bring gingerbread muffin to school.
But I'll be popular.
He'll be
popular.
So let's fill them. We have some ball.
Penny. I know Penny.
I hope I'll be able to make it. Pray for me.
Don't play with me.
That tastes so good. I like the little salty part at the end.
Can I stop pulling?
No. Wait, girl.
I'm restricted from touching them. I see how it is.
Look at me. I started over there. Now I'm here.
Rapunzel knows best. Fine, if you're so sure now. Go ahead and give him this. This is why he's here. Don't let him deceive you. Give it to him what you see.
My dear.
Trust me, my dear. That's how fast you need me. I'm going to say I told you so. Oh, Rapunzel knows best. If you're gonna be such a dreamboat, go ahead and put him to the test. Knows best.
Don't shake your hair. We are doing food.
Don't worry, it's just a little strand of hair in your muffin. It's me. A reminder of don't eat your food with your thumb. A strand of hair in your food. How are we gonna mix this?
I think we're gonna use the gingerbread for the chocolate.
Because you already invaded.
Let's open the oven. The oven is warm. So good.
Mama placed the blueberries in and I placed peach. Muffins were invented in 2026.
And as you can see, I cut my finger. I never used this first time. They put our chocolate.
Abby's gonna put her chocolate. It looks yummy.
Don't get it too full.
Sorry.
I'm just saying, so it doesn't.
Overflow.
I did a mistake on the other one. Stop, mama. Go to another one.
This one's gonna be.
We know they will go up, right? While the muffins are getting cooked, we're gonna start with our bread. First, we put our warm milk in the bowl. I'll put all the quantity in a comment. We don't put egg yet, baby. So I put the yeast and the sugar.
You can put as much as you want. It depends on how much you want.
Mix it and let it sit for a few minutes. So we're gonna need room temperature butter. And I always use unsalted butter. If I use salted butter, I don't add salt in my bread, but I usually prefer to use unsalted. Then I know what the quantity I'm using for my bread. So since it's cold, it's come from the fridge, I'll put it in the microwave for 10 seconds. It's ready, puffed up, as she said. So I'll add a little bit of sugar because I put tiny. So I put the rest of the sugar. Now we add the egg. We need only one egg. We had an accident, so I had to mix both. So I presume this is one egg. Right, Mama?
I don't know.
We had an accident.
I was just trying to put it down, but then my arm smashed it.
It's okay. That's why I call it an accident. And then we put our butter.
That is leaking.
Bread with butter.
Amazing.
This milky bread with butter is so good. We'll not need it all, I think. Good.
I'll take this for when the bread is made. I'll be using that.
Then what's it?
We're not just gonna use the machine.
No, bread is mostly by hands. Oh my God, let's just see your beautiful hair. Let's put it here.
It smells like honey.
Didn't put the honey inside.
Why does it smell like this honey?
I don't know.
Don't you smell it?
So you took it with your nose.
You smell it?
Just the salt. A little bit of salt. What are you doing, Aggie? Why are you washing? We're still using it. You mix it or you
mix flour. I said mix and flour. No, mommy, it's okay. Can I?
I'll do that. We'll do it together when it will be on the thing, when we're gonna roll. Start taking stuff. God bless you. Start taking stuff away.
I'm going to be moving you to a new destination. You just landed the incorrect way. I'm going to fly you to a... I cleared it. Lift up your sleeves, people, because it's about to get serious.
Sheila, lift up your sleeve, people, because it's about to be serious.
I like my bread soft. I like her soft.
It's not good when it's so sharp. Go dry your hands. Where are you drying your hands? No. Go cry. Suis les mains. Prends le tissu. Si tu suis les mains, tu peux encore salir tes mains.
My hands are dry. People are about to serve the plate.
Mama, c'est pas maintenant que tu... Is one, we let it rise up, whatever you're calling it. When we let it rise up, and then we're gonna
There
spread.
needs to be some here too.
Not now. That was I say I will do this part. Then the second time, then we're gonna do it together. I feel like this is more. I feel like I need more flour.
I feel like we do.
Need to go check in the garage if we still have flour. I don't know why you're whispering.
They need to hear us too. I don't know why we're whispering. I think it's good for your nugget.
For your what?
Nugget. That's brain.
To whisper. You see, we need more flour. I go check the garage. Don't.
Okay.
Like it? She didn't even wait for them to cool down, but they are ready. I'll wait for them to cool down and put them in here. And my bread is in the oven.
Has it been 1 minute? I'm just waiting until it hits 1 minute.
Our burns are ready, so I will let them cool down.
Yeah.
They are flour and oatmeal flour, right? What we mix together to have this bun. So I'm gonna open them when they cool to show you how they are, but you can see how moist they are. Look at this. Oh, soft, and I'm sure they're yummy.
Not the hospital, in the nurse's office, from cramp, which was a shit.